Last but not least, we're making our maple glaze. So to start, we just need 2 tablespoons of salted soft butter. The pot that goes, and then we are adding in a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I've got 1/2 cup of powdered sugar or icing sugar, and then we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and I also like to add in a pinch of salt just to cut through all of the sweetness. So in goes a pinch of salt, and then we are going to melt this on the stove top, then leave it to cool down for about 10 minutes so that it starts to thicken.